Muchas gracias por vuestra paciencia.
So first of all, thank you. There were some technical issues, and we just wanted to make sure that everyone could follow the event both on-site and online. And for that reason, we've taken a bit more of your time to be sure that the technical issues were solved. My name is Amaia Echevarría. I am the director of UNAF, and I'm here on behalf of Asociación Iglesia. She would have loved to be here. She's our chairwoman, but she has not been able to be here with us today, unfortunately. But nonetheless, it's a pleasure to be here in the 13th journey, the international meeting against female genital mutilation. And we've been talking about violence as a ritual, the international and global actions against structural violence, because we're going to talk about all the different elements and how we can prevent and identify and erase and eradicate not only female genital mutilation as well as other gender-based violence cases, together with the European Union and the Ministry in Spain here. So we want to thank the Ministry for the support, not only for the international meeting that we are having today, but because we've been working for more than 15 years in the defense of the sexual and reproductive rights of women, the promotion of sexual education, and the awareness and prevention of female genital mutilation as well as other violence, gender violences. UNAF is formed by 23 different entities, social entities that want to promote the rights and the well-being of families, including the human rights and the inclusive approaches. And for that reason, we consider sexual and reproductive health and the prevention of gender-based violence as one of our key elements. For all these years, we've been working as a referent for this fight against the female genital mutilation, promoting comprehensive care for women and girls that have survived this terrible tradition. And we've done it through transforming intercultural sexual education by training with the gender and intercultural approach, the different professionals, working with other networks and other agencies that are present here, and with social awareness campaigns, organizing these kind of meetings, cooperating with the media, and also helping in the publication of different materials, not only for the communities that suffer this problem, but also for other communities in order to reach a more integral approach. And for that reason, we want also to talk about the care service for female survivors of female genital mutilation. This has different groups that have been working with cultural intermediaries to help through these networks based on these communities and the work of women to help each of these different people. And through this work, we have created this space that we offer to you today so that we can understand the roots of these issues, of this gender-based violence, of the specific case of the female genital mutilation, understanding it from a gender perspective, but also from a multisectoral approach, trying to understand the different policies and the real situations of the women that are suffering these situations in the framework of a political and social complex situation. And as we mentioned, we are talking about the violence as the ritual and the global actions against the structural violence. What we're trying is to advance and fulfill the rights of women and girls, understanding the main challenges that we're facing in this whole approach of gender-based violence, and trying to support and promote the policies that will help us to move forward in a social transformation to make possible the complete eradication of female genital mutilation. We will do it together, working with institutions and professionals, activists, and other people working at a community grassroots level that will share the different experiences, the different information, trying to contribute into the eradication of female genital mutilation, because eradication of any case of gender-based violence is an advance in the fight for the human rights in which we all work together. So thank you very much for your hard work, and we hope you enjoyed this international meeting.